Hello friends, let's create a zebra using paper craft. We'll see what are the materials needed for this project. First, we need the paper plate, chart papers, pencil to draw, scissors, glue gun, and most importantly, the curiosity to learn. We'll see how to create the zebra headband. For that, first we have to take the white chart paper and cut it like this, like a headband. Next, we'll take the paper plate, a medium-sized paper plate. Next, we need the black color paper. Draw a line the same size of the white color chart paper cutout. Next, we'll draw the V lines. Like a V, we have to cut it. Draw and cut the black color paper. See, you have to cut it. Zebras are wild animals that cannot be domesticated. Ever wonder why zebras have never been used by humans in the way that horse and donkeys have? Well, it's not for the lack of trying. It's a wild animal. See, next we have to place the paper plate like this. Next, we'll draw the mouth. For that, we have to use the paper plate to draw the bottom lines. Draw two curved lines for the nose. Cut away zebra nose now. Next, we'll draw the ears of our zebra, the inner ears of our zebra. Cut it down. Now it's time to place the paper plate on the white chart paper cutout. Paste it in the center. Glue it thoroughly. Now it's time to paste the V shape, the triangle shape, black color paper cutout. Zebras are black animal with white stripes, not white with black stripes. And do you know zebra can travel long distance? In southern Africa, researchers have tracked zebras traveling even further, 300 miles on a straight line. Very impressive feat, right? While this is shorter than the overall Great Migration Circuit, it is longer in one single direction, making it the longest migration among all African mammals. An impressive, really impressive feat. We're done with that. Next, we'll paste the nose. We're done with that. Next, we'll draw the outer ears. For that, we have to trace the inner ears and draw another one line which is bigger than the inner ears and cut it down. So that will be our outer ears of the zebra. See, that's it. Cut it down. Yes. Now it's time to paste the inner ears on top of the black outer ear. We have to paste the ears like this. Here I am using hot glue gun to paste the ears on the zebra face. You can use normal glue or you can use the hot glue gun as well. See, it's done. Now it's time to draw the eyes. Zebra pupil is ready. Paste it. Done. Here I am using correction pen to draw the highlights in the eyes. Now it's time to paste the triangle stripes on the face as well. Do the same on the other side. Our zebra is almost ready. This is for pasting in between the ears. We have to attach this one in between the ears. See, like this. Next, we'll draw the holes for a zebra nose. Cut it and paste it like this. And this is a little smile to our zebra. Don't miss the little smile. Next we'll make a hole on both the sides. We can use the woolen thread to tie on the kid's head. See, I'm using here the white woolen thread and tie it on the hole. The similar way, do it on the other side. See, we can place the zebra on the head of our kids and tie it. Our zebra is ready. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.